Ayan, magkano nga to? 6.9 million. So, meron tayo dito isang carport. And pagpasok po natin dito, yung ating living and dining room. And of course, yung ating kitchen. And yung dirty kitchen po. And of course, yung ating common toilet and bath na napakaganda. And baka hindi ako umabot. So, meron po tayo ditong 3 bedrooms. So, ito yung first bedroom natin. Ang maganda, meron po tayo ditong balcony. So, yan ang balcony natin. Ito yung first bedroom. The second bedroom, meron po siyang roof. And yung ating master's bedroom. Ayan, yung CR hindi natin nadaanan. Pero meron